Hi everybody, it's Sheila. Welcome back to the Crochet Nurse channel. Today what we're going to do is the unboxing for the Secret Santa mystery gift. If you like this kind of content, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell. So for those who are aware, last month, I believe it was the beginning or the middle of November, Reggie from J Hook Crochet sent out an email and invited several content creators that are in the Yarny community and asked us if we wanted to participate in the Secret Santa. And what the Secret Santa was, it was kind of like a two kind of a deal. One was that we all picked a charity that we wanted to support and wanted to, put out a video and talk about that charity. And the second part was the people who were on the list that were selected were then going to be put in a pot for to be drawn, and they would be hooked up for a Secret Santa. And so my charity that I did, the video that I did last month, was for the Alzheimer's Association, and I showed you guys at that time, talked about the statistics for Alzheimer's, how prevalent it is, and how it impacts women at a far greater number than it does men, and then also showed you what you could do about it, which was creation of fiddle mats or fiddle cups, and those two videos are on my channel if you want to see that. But making fiddle mats, fiddle cups, and donating those to either the Alzheimer's Association, who will distribute them, or to your nearby memory care center. Not all nursing homes will take fiddle mats. You really want to search out for like memory care centers, because those are the folks who are actually specializing in taking care of folks who have the Alzheimer's and dementia. And remember, we were targeting the middle group, or the second level, of where they start to have the forgetfulness and they start having the fidgeting, those kinds of things. And the fiddle mats actually help keep them calm and keep them grounded, so they can actually have a better quality of life. And so that was my charity, and I made a fiddle mat, fiddle cuffs, and actually a couple more, and donated those, and I hope you were able to do that as well. J Hook, she did one of her favorite societies, and I saw Stitches, Teresa from Stitches, she did some stuff, and Pamela's Crochet. There's several people who participated in this, and I actually was linked up with Setta. And so my Secret Santa was actually from Setta's place, and that's what this box is. It's from Setta. And the person that I sent my Secret Santa to, she's already, he emailed me and told me that she's already opened her box, and her video will be out real soon, so you'll be able to see that as well. So let's get to the box and see what it is. I was a little confused when I got the box, I'll be honest, because I know Setta's in Alaska. But I've seen her videos. I started watching Setta probably about 6 or 7 months ago, because I was looking for information on the Crochet Surprise, and she does actually the videos for a Crochet Surprise. And so I was like, oh, that's cool. And so I was watching her videos, and I like her style, so I've been watching her often. But I was, like I said, I was a little confused because the box is from Virginia and it has Setta from Alaska, but then I remember watching her videos and she was doing her traveling around, and so she has those kind of linkages. So the box is kind of wrapped up pretty tight and almost looks like it's waterproof, to be honest. And when I shake it around, I hear a little bit of rattling, guys, so we'll see what that is about. It looks like, they say, she wrapped it up pretty tight, but there did get a hole on the side, which gives us an avenue to get in here. And I can see that she was really trying to make it waterproof, which I don't blame her, considering the travel and the postage the way things are right now. Let me see if I can get in here without making too much craziness. Oh, she's got paper in here too, so that may take me a second. There we go. All right, now I think we got it going. Wow, she did a lot of good wrapping here. So this is fun. So she has it in the, yeah, sorry about that. My dogs were out there barking, so I thought I'd go take care of that. Otherwise, you guys would have been listening to the dogs going crazy. Anyway, so that's that. Yeah, so you can see on the inside, didn't do any further, so I have some wrapping paper on the inside. Let me see if I can get it out of there. The dog does not like me unwrapping this. So that's what's happening there. Either that or she wants in here with me. Okay. All right. We got it out of the main wrapper here, guys. And you can see now that it's more waterproof. And oh, that's cute. She put wrapping paper on the inside. That's how she wrapped it up. Really did a lot of double wrapping on this guy. And so now I got the box. She put it inside. Now I like the way she's done this. And this is what I would have done too if it was going as far as, you know, like she's way up in Alaska. But you don't know what's going to happen. Look at that. Look, guys. Happy holidays. There we go. So let's see what's inside. Here's the front. Look at that. It's got a cute little bow on it. There we go. That is so cute. I love the box Setta. Seriously love the box. I mean, absolutely will use this again. So let's see what it's got inside. Little sticker in there. Inside. Look at this, how cute this is. And green, she was watching, so she knows I love green. That's the thing with her and I both. She likes purple, I love purple as well, but I also love green. So that's the two colors I really like. Let's see what's in here. Okay. Ooh, softy yarn. Let me pull out a few things. Okay. Let me grab some stuff in here, see what's in there. Green wrapper. Super soft. Yeah, I'm going to set it aside over here. Super soft yarn. Okay, so this is Red Heart Heige. Oh my gosh, that's soft. I've actually never had this yarn here in really bright white. So this is 8 ounces. That's a big ball. 212 yards. Gosh, that's soft. A bulky 5. Acrylic and nylon. That is super soft. So she gave me 2 of those. Don't know what I'll make with those, but I'm sure I'll find something to make with those. Gosh, I can't get over how soft that is. That is a nice soft yarn. And it's got a little bit of fuzz to it. So I can see that as a trim on an edging on a cardigan. I see a lot of uses for that. Thank you, Setta. Very nice. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, this is cute. So we have a little dish in here. A little cactus. Green cactus, again, I like the green. This is cute. I can see putting my stitch markers on that, or my little stitch markers to kind of have a spot. Actually was needing something like that for my little desk over there, so I can keep track of those. I'm working on a project now that I'm using a whole bunch of stitch markers, so this will be good for that. That's very cute. Let's see what else is in the box. Aw, this is cute. Look at that. A little stocking. That is so cute. Oh my gosh. Now, if I had grandchildren, this would be like immediately like boom to grandchildren, because that is so cute. And this is made out of like a, what is that? Like the back is a felt, and then this front, it looks like it was stitched in there. Let's see what's inside. Oh, tea. Ah, and my favorite tea. Yeah, I love me some tea. And there's something else in here. Let's push this over here. And down here. Oh, she put some candy in here. That's so cute. Oh, that's what's in here. Little hard candies are in there as well. I think there's a few more hard candies down there at the bottom. Let me drop these back in there. That's cute, Setta. Let me get in here. Oh, a little candy. I think that's one of those bread, a biscotti bread. That's in there. And then pin cushion and scissors. Let me take it out so you guys can see it. And that's what this is. It's a pin cushion. and a cute little pair of scissors that goes on the top. That's cute. So sticking the needles in here on the side. I have one over there that I use that's on the bottom shelf, but this will actually be pretty cute setting it on the desk over there in the corner, sticking the pins in it around the side. All right, so that looks super cute. And that is what is in the box here. Well, thank you, Setta. I certainly appreciate it. I'll find stuff to do with the high-gee yarn and these other items that you shared with me for like the pin cushion and the little dish, and that will actually be living on my desk. All right, y'all. That's what I had to share with you today. If you want to tool around and you look at the other, I'll put down below J-Hook's website as well as Setta's. So if you want to go look at theirs and see that they're Secret Santa gifts, you certainly could do that and go look at the others that are out there. All right, y'all, I'm so glad I participated, and Setta, thank you. This is an absolutely lovely box, and thank you for thinking of me, everybody. And you all have a fantastic day and have a Merry Christmas. Chat soon.